Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to receive donations on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you're a creator, freelancer, artist, or just someone who wants to accept support online, this full guide will help you set everything up step by step in 2026. First, open Buy Me a Coffee and create your account. You can sign up using your email or connect with Google, Apple, or social accounts. While creating your page, choose a username carefully because it becomes part of your public donation link. Next, add your profile picture, display name, and bio. Yeah, this part is important because supporters usually decide very quickly whether your page looks trustworthy and professional. You can also add links to your YouTube channel, website, or social media accounts. Now you need to connect your payout method so you can actually receive donations. Open the Payouts section in your dashboard and follow the Stripe setup process. Buy Me a Coffee currently uses Stripe for creator payouts, and your page may stay inactive until payouts are connected properly. After that, make sure one-time support or coffee donations are enabled on your page. This lets supporters send quick payments without needing a subscription. You can even set your own coffee price and customize the support message visitors will see. Once your page is ready, copy your Buy Me a Coffee link and start sharing it online. You can place it in YouTube descriptions, Instagram bios, Twitch panels, blog posts, newsletters, or wherever your audience follows you. One really important thing is engaging with supporters after receiving donations. Yeah, replying with thank you messages or exclusive updates can encourage more people to support you again in the future. Quick tip, keep reminding your audience that your support page exists. A lot of creators place donation links under every video or post consistently, and over time that can really increase donations. And that's basically it. You now know how to receive donations on Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get your creator page fully set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.